somewhere in the back. Soon as we could see clearly through our big black eye, man, we lit up your world.